pretty simple as far as we need to know. So, next we have the penis, and this one, unfortunately, we don't have too many good examples because the ones that we have, you'll see that they're labeled immature penis, and during development, one of the structures, which I'll explain more in a second, doesn't actually develop fully until the very end of gestation. So when you see those immature penises, or the ones that are at the glands, you don't actually see the cross-sectional structures that you need to see. I'm actually going to go to the board for a second, because none of you knew this, but I actually drew a penis on the board. So this is what a cross-section of the penis actually looks like. And it's basically like a face. So here you have like the eyes, and here's the mouth, okay? These two circles that you see up top, they're both called the corpus cavernosum. And then the bottom circle of muscle is the corpus spongiosum. And in the middle of the corpus spongiosum, you'll see a hole with a lumen in it. That's the urethra. And as you can see, this entire face structure is going to be in a larger circle, and there's going to be other tissue around that. But these are the three, or I guess 4 structures that you would need to be paying attention to when you look at the slide. Now, like I said, the slides that we have, not the best example. I recommend looking at them because you can still pick these points out, and they're still testable technically, but the one that I'm showing you is the one that we've actually set aside as our TA demo set, because this is the only one that really shows this structure at all, okay? If you would like to snag this for me and take a look at it under your microscope, please just ask me and return it to me so that I keep track of it, because it's the only one we have. All right, so what I have on the board right now showing is the urethra, so that's this lumen right here, which means that all of the muscle that we see around it is going to be the corpus spongiosum. Okay? And then I think on this one we pan up, but it's always flipped, so yeah, so we pan up. This little pink, or the darker pink stained dividing line right here is the dividing line between the two corpus cavernosum. So we have a corpus cavernosum right here and a corpus cavernosum on this side. And I'll pan around just one of them in a second. You'll see that it's this big circle right here, okay? So here's our big circle. There's one corpus cavernosum right there. Right. So for this, we're going to be showing it, obviously, if you put it on your microscope, it's not going to be this zoomed in, so you will be able to see at least like the corpus cavernosum together, or the urethra inside of the corpus spongiosum. Okay, so make sure you take a look, or at least you understand how this would look on your slide if you don't want to come snag it. And yeah, that's it. Any questions about this one?